This is MadDogsTrains.com. Finishing up an order for a guy out west. He's got a trackless train system going through a park and then back through to the mall. He's got a cross area of traffic, so this is where he's going to be putting them. Basically, it'll be on one side of the street and then power supply for the other side of the street. It's going to be A button turns the unit on, B button turns the bells on, A button shuts the unit back off, or hit the B button to shut the bell back off. We had to go with this type of system because he doesn't have the ability to run a cord or a power supply across to each other where it has one converter box. This will have two different converter boxes, but one wireless remote to run the whole system for both sides. This is MadDogsTrains.com. Thank you.